We're diving into a fascinating story about a home makeover with Freedom Windows. Freedom Windows is all about top-notch service and quality, never any high-pressure sales tactics.
Well, Ryan, good to be back with you again.
Great to be back here with you.
Freedom Windows, you guys do some of the neatest projects, that I've ever seen. This one behind us is your latest one that you're doing.
Yeah.
Was there anything unique about this?
Well, nothing really unique per se. This is our target market. This is our niche. We're in beautiful Kinsale Country Club right here. And here we had the old colonial grids. We actually changed the grid style to just one vertical in the window, give you a lot more glass, a better view, and it just separates that home from the other houses in the neighborhood, and it really helps it stand out. Yeah. We have a saying at Freedom Windows not to just replace your windows, but to upgrade them. So you're not just upgrading the style, but you're also upgrading the glass packs, the insulation in the frames, all the caulking and sealant. You're upgrading the entire window to be more efficient and more beautiful for the home.
So when you see that fogging, and I've seen that in windows, is that a sign that you should be looking at new windows?
Well, we do see the fogging happening really quickly after some of these builder grade windows are installed. It's just once the paint gets bad enough. So a lot of the homes that we're with, they had seal failure. It's been like that for 5, 6, 7 years. It's finally just been enough. And now more windows are doing it. Instead of just 1 or 2, now it's 6 or 7. Right. And the problem is not going to go away. But that's where we come in. We have a dedicated team that's going to come out, sit down with you, answer questions, and really explain the new technology if that's what you're looking for. We're right where value and quality meet. We don't subcontract out the work. Everybody works for us, so we can manage the expectations on installation, but also, again, the quality on the products.
Well, I've been to several of your projects. I tell you, this is another beautiful one. You guys always do a great job. Give us some contact information for Freedom Windows.
Sure. You can reach out to us by giving us a call at our office at 614-798-1133. Visit us on the web at www.thefreedomwindow.com.